Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear, bringing you your Big Bear real estate market update for January 2025. Whether you are a homeowner, an investor, or just someone keeping an eye on the market, this is the place to get the latest insights on what is happening in our mountain community. January kicked off the new year with a solid number of home sales. We saw properties close in all price ranges, with cozy cabins to luxury lakefront estates. So let's break down the numbers and what that means for you. The Big Bear real estate market remains strong despite interest rates holding steady. Inventory remains tight, which means well-priced homes are still moving quickly. However, we are seeing buyers negotiate more aggressively, and in many cases, sellers are accepting offers below their asking price. Let's start with entry-level homes. This past month, the lowest sale was 243 Los Angeles Avenue in Sugarloaf, a one-bedroom, one-bath cabin at 494 square foot, which sold for $218, slightly under its list price. Small, budget-friendly homes are still in high demand, making this great investment opportunities for first-time buyers or vacation rental investors. In the $250,000 to $400,000 range, we saw several homes close, with the bulk of sales happening in this price bracket. For example, 849 Wabash Lane in Sugarloaf, a two-bed, one-bath, 936 square foot, just sold for $265,000, while a slightly larger 80 Leonard Lane with 3 beds, 2 baths closed at $330,000. Buyers are still prioritizing affordability, but they're also pushing for price reductions where they can. If you are selling in this range, pricing competitively is key to moving quickly. Moving into the $400,000 to $600,000 range, we saw a few notable sales. 1029 Glen Mountain Road in Big Bear City, a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,000 square foot, just sold for $470,000, almost right at asking. 416 Dorset Drive, a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,584 square foot, just closed at $535,000, which is a slight price cut from its original list price. What's the trend here? Homes with unique features, whether it's a great view, modern updates, or extra space, are still commanding strong prices. But buyers expect value and aren't afraid to negotiate. In the $600,000 to $1 million range, there were some significant sales, including 43555 Sand Canyon Road in Moonridge, 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,300 square foot, which sold for $612,500, and 1491 Rock Spray in Moonridge, 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,621 square foot, which went for $699,900, showing that updated and well-located properties are still fetching top dollar. And now onto the luxury market, homes over $1 million. The highest sale in January was 42012 Eagles Nest, a 5-bedroom, 5-bath lakefront home that closed for $2,995,000. And 39513 Lake Drive, a 4-bed, 5-bath on the water, just sold for $2 million, showing that waterfront properties remain highly desirable despite a shifting market. What we're seeing in the luxury segment is that buyers are still willing to pay a premium for location and quality, and they are being more selective. So what does all this mean for you? It depends who you are. For sellers, if you're planning to list, price your home strategically. We're still seeing demand, but buyers are negotiating hard. Homes priced right from day one are the ones that are moving fast. For buyers with more price flexibility from sellers, this could be a great time to make your move before the interest rates start to shift again. For investors, short-term rental properties are still attractive, but buyers are factoring in operating costs more than ever. If you are looking for a rental property, focus on homes with unique features that will stand out in the Airbnb crowd. So that is your January 2025 Big Bear Real Estate Update. If you have questions about buying, selling, or investing in the area, give me a call. I'd love to help you navigate this market and make the most of your real estate goals. And if you want to stay updated, don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me for more insights into the Big Bear market. See you next month. Bye.